I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about floor screeders. If you are a homeowner looking to lay some new floor screed, you will want to look into hiring a screeder. A screeder will come into your home, assess your flooring needs and then apply screed suitable for you to be able to lay your final flooring on a smooth and level surface. There are different types of screed that your screeder may consider, including sand and cement screeds, fast drying screeds and pumpable screeds. Let's take each of these in turn and look at how a screeder decides which screed to use and then make sure it's applied appropriately. Sand and cement screed. This is a traditional floor screed and is widely used because it can take most types of flooring covering. If you have a slight slope and drainage is a concern, your screeder will probably choose this screed. This type of screed needs to be laid by hand, so hiring a skilled screeder is vital to make sure it is applied correctly. It often needs some time to dry naturally and is affected by environmental conditions. However, your screeder will understand this and ensure that the screed is suitable for the task and applied under optimal conditions. Fast drying screeds. These may be called accelerated screeds, and your screeder may advise you that if you need to complete the application rapidly. It is the perfect choice when you need to use the area quickly. Many of these screeds can dry to the point where they can be walked on within a few hours and a floor laid after 12 to 24 hours. Pumpable screed. This form of cement is less prone to shrinking and cracking. Thus is useful in larger areas. It is also less likely to curl and has a reasonable rapid drying time. Your screeder will probably recommend this if it's intended to place underfloor heating, as it's particularly suitable for this. Your screeder will arrange for a mixing truck to come to site, which will then pump the screed into the area. This can be done very quickly, meaning that the overall length of your project is reduced. How your screeder will mix the screed. There are 4 main methods which depend on the type of screed being used. Hand mixing. Usually only used on very small areas. It is labour intensive and it is harder to control the quality of the mix. Freefall mixers. These are standard mechanical mixers which are good for more fluid screed, however they don't tend to produce high quality screed for other methods on sand and cement mixers and basically shouldn't be used. Forced action mixers. These are the gold standard and preferred by most screeders as they produce a good quality mix and makes it easier to introduce any additives needed. Ready mix screeds. If you need consistently reliable screed, these are the top choice. They can cut out any risk of human error and can be delivered directly to your project quickly and easily. I hope this has been helpful in answering the questions. Please get in touch for further information.